Hello friends, welcome to Simplify Your Space. Whenever there is a festival season around, most of us also take this as an opportunity to tidy our spaces. It is an immense delight to see our spaces shaping into an organized, clean and beautiful areas. In this video, we will take a quick look to deep clean your kitchen and allied areas for the upcoming festivities. So let's get started. First, spread a newspaper or old bedsheet on the countertop to protect items kept on it from falling dust. Start with the dusting of walls and ceiling. First, clean the kitchen walls, corners and ceiling with microfiber duster. Also dust and clean the top of the cupboards. If the area is really dirty, then just spray the all-purpose cleaner and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then rub the area with scrubber and wipe it off with a cleaning towel. I would suggest you to always place dining mats or newspaper here to protect it from the dust. First, dust the window grill with a microfiber duster. Now take a dishwashing liquid in a bowl and with the help of old scrubber, clean the grills and wipe it with the cloth. All the grease will come out easily. Now spray the all-purpose cleaner on the window glass and with the help of this kind of microfiber duster, clean it properly. This duster is very helpful, especially if you have grills installed inside. This is also useful to clean the glass window from outside. If you have blinds installed on your window, then first dust them properly, then spray the all-purpose cleaner and wipe it. Now let's start cleaning the cupboards. If you have been following an organizing system, then just start cleaning the cupboards one by one. Remove all the items first, clean the surface and then place a dining mat to protect the surface from dust, grease and spills. It will always keep your cupboard neat and clean. Now wash and dry the organizers if you use. Clean the containers with damp cloth and place them back nicely. Clean and wipe the cupboard doors and handles. Also don't forget to disinfect the handles with disinfectant wipes or liquid to kill all the germs which may have occurred with a frequent touch. Now if you have a cockroach problem in your kitchen, it would be prudent to empty your entire kitchen first. To deep clean the corners and deep cupboards where the cockroaches tend to hide, first spray the Lal HIT for 3 seconds. With its thin nozzle, it is easy to reach secluded areas. Cockroaches are very dangerous and cause food poisoning. Lal HIT kills cockroaches efficiently. Immediate removal of cockroaches helps to protect your family with the associated dangers. I would suggest if you see even one cockroach, then kill it instantly to stop them from multiplying further. Lal HIT helps to stop the breeding and is a good way to keep them in check. Keep it handy but out of children's reach. You may also spray Lal HIT under the sink area, around the drainage and area around dustbins where they mostly hide. Clean the area with the broom and lastly wipe all the cupboards with all-purpose cleaner and damp towel or with this kind of cleaning brush which makes your cleaning easy by reaching into deep corners. While cleaning, do not forget to purge all the expired items and food packets which have been opened for long and are not fresh anymore. After emptying and cleaning the cupboards, now it's time to organize them so that life becomes easy in the kitchen. Segregate the items as per the need, like regular, occasionally used, never used and broken. Remove the broken items first. Check never used items one by one and see if they are of any use or not. Now make the system and designate the place for specific type of items. Like food separately, regular needed utensils and occasionally used utensils separately. This way you will have things segregated and finding and accessing things will be easy. Also use different organizers and baskets to organize your kitchen, which will make your kitchen beautiful and well organized. To know more about organizing the kitchen, check out our videos on rented house kitchen tour and our new kitchen tour. In these two videos, I have shown how to make the system and keep the kitchen always organized. Links are provided in the description box. Now let's start cleaning the appliances. Microwave is one kitchen equipment that spreads cross-contamination if not cleaned frequently. So please do not wait for Diwali to clean it. Most of you already know how to clean a microwave. Just take half a bowl of vinegar and heat it for 2 minutes or until the solution boils and the window is steamy. Let it cool for few minutes and then remove the bowl and the glass plate. Start wiping inside with a clean cloth. You may require a scrubber to remove stubborn and dry spills. Wash and place back the glass plate. Also clean the exterior nicely. For deep cleaning of hob, chimney, fridge and exhaust fan, I have separate videos. Just to keep it brief, I have provided all the links for deep cleaning and organization in the description box. To clean backsplash, the best and easy way is to clean it with dish liquid and green scrub pad. It will remove all the food stains and grease without much effort. After scrubbing, wipe it with a damp towel. To clean switchboards effortlessly, use nail paint remover. All the black marks and stains will come out easily. A word of caution: nail paint remover liquids are highly flammable, so always switch off the switches before cleaning. Remove everything from here and then spray a cleaner cum disinfectant to kill germs nicely. Give it a good wipe, especially the corners. After cleaning, it is very important to clean and disinfect all the brushes, sponges and cleaning cloths. Fill up the sink or bucket with the hot water. Pour some cleaner cum disinfectant and soak all cleaning tools for 15-20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rub them nicely and leave them to dry. To clean dirty rugs, just put them in the washing machine, pour a cup of detergent in detergent container and set the water temperature on 60 degrees in regular washing cycle. They will come out clean. Also, hot water will kill the germs and disinfect them. Do not forget to clean all your dustbins and leave them to dry under the sun. Sunlight is a natural disinfectant and will kill all the germs present in the dustbin. To clean and disinfect the sink, spread the baking powder on the sink nicely and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, scrub the sink with the wet scrub and then wash it with the clean water. Lastly, spray a vinegar and water mix all over the sink and tap and leave it for a minute, then wipe with the dry cloth. Vinegar will bring back their shine and sink and tap will look sparkling clean. At last, clean the floor with the disinfectant and please do not switch on the fan. Disinfectant must get dry by itself for better results. Organized, simplified and clean spaces ensures that you get more time with your family during the festival season and worry less about managing the clutter. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for many more such videos. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.